Hi everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel Chemistry Unfolded. Yes, friends, the notification is out for the GUART exam that will be held in the month of March. So, in the video below in the description, I will be giving this file folder description, or you may also go on the university website to check out the notification. So, something that is important for you all to note is that the last date to fill the admission form is on the 19th of February by 5 p.m. Also note, do not wait on the last day to fill the form. Do it at the earliest. And before filling the form, kindly go through the entire document. Then moving ahead, there are these fees that are mentioned, like for general you need to pay around 600 rupees, and for reserved category it is 300, and in case the person is with disability, then no fee shall be charged. And the candidates applying for admissions under these categories, that is the reserved categories, should submit their certificate. Then there are certain preferences for institutions that are there for certain subjects which you need to fill. This was not there, I guess, earlier, but yes, this year it is introduced, and this has to be submitted by the 15th of March 2021. Candidates shall be permitted to apply for a maximum of 3 subjects for the PG program and only 2 subjects for B.Ed program. Please note this. And coming for the exam, the paper is out of 100 marks, for which you have 50 questions of 2 marks each, accompanied by negative marking, where the half mark shall be deducted for each wrong answer and no marks shall be deducted for an unanswered question. And the paper is broken up into 3 sections. First one, which is the least difficult, which contains 15 questions. Section 2, which contains again 15 questions which are a bit difficult, and section 3, which contains the most difficult, has 20 questions. And there shall be ties and all those things, which is the later part of the answering. Here is the GUART schedule, which is in the month of March. So it's the time to pull up your socks and start preparing. These are your test centers, so it's better you prefer your nearest test center to your location, to your place that you stay in. And then the rounds will be held from the month of April. And mind you, this exam will be held in the offline mode. And here is the info for the reserved category students. The refund of course fees, that is later on once the exam is over. And here you can see how many seats are reserved in total for everyone, which colleges are for which course, and here is the list of B.Ed subjects with eligibility. So for B.Ed, the rounds are held later in the month of June. Even the forms for application of B.Ed come later on. This is the fee structure for post-graduation program, and here you have your School of Chemical Sciences, what all you need to know. Also for the syllabus, you need to see the website. In case I find the syllabus, I will put it in a description box. But always I told you not to rely on the syllabus itself, do a little more extra. And here's all the information regarding the rank list. Thank you. I hope you like the video. Please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.